Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a dummy. A noob actually, seriously. Don't care about why do I have so many here. And I have 5,000 money and I have all of it. I kinda became a pro. So I'm gonna show you how to make a dummy with tools. Okay, I have this. Where's OMG, I'm so dumb. It's literally at the start. You can pick whatever block you want. I'm gonna pick this. So just gonna put it like that, put it like that. Now if you have all of these tools, you maybe be lucky. But this tool is useless. Make this, I forgot, 0. Now actually remove this. Sorry. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Now copy it. Move, rotate, clone. Now copy it just like next to it. Wait.
Mas tem.
Okay, so guys.
Ganito lang din.
Okay. I need to actually put the 0 as well. So sorry. Oh my god. So there. So we're gonna make it kinda tall. I'm gonna make it the size of mine. What the heck? Why did I just a little bit got taller? Ayo? Why am I floating?
Other water. Malaki pa pa. Tag 25.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
Sige lang.
Okay, put another block on top of it and fix it. Meow. Okay, so we're gonna make it only a little bit taller. It's kind of chubby. Look. Now, this is the part where we're gonna make this to 1. Make 2 legs. Oh, wait. Okay, like that. 2. And also 2 of this. There. And we're gonna change this to 0 again. And we're gonna fix this outlines and make it a little bit skinny. Well, you guys kinda need to color it. So wait, I'm gonna color it real quick because some of you might not see it. Just color there, like that. See, it's kind of seen now. Now we're gonna use this. Rotate. You can design it whatever you want. I'm gonna design it like this. What the hell? What? Ayo? I'm lagging or something? No, I'm not lagging. Yes, like that. Why is it kinda like in the cage? Nasimurida. Okay, the head. Make it a little bit chubby. I mean bigger. Bigger. There, that's done. Okay, so then we're let's color it again. Like that. We're gonna use this again. Okay. Oh, this one. What the heck? Okay, this is for the eyes. This is the hard part. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, time to rotate it. Okay, is it okay? No. One more. Okay, that's okay now. Okay, so you're gonna actually clone it.
Yeah.
What kind of lag is it right here? Now you're... Actually, I'm gonna clone another one. We're gonna clone another one with this again. That's for the mouth. What the hell? Oh my god, wait. Okay, let's go. Let's color it first black. Nasi maganda. Nevermore.
Baby, and also,
By the way, can you guys please subscribe me? Please. This is my future, bro. Me and my parents are kinda homeless. Guys, I need this. My parents are kinda homeless. Okay, time to put the ice. Okay, so if it's too big, then just resize it. Oh, there. Yeah, it is big. Okay. I'm gonna make this a little bit shorter. Wait, I'm gonna clone this. Erase this. Clone it. Clone this. Yoink. And this corner. Then there you have it. Your own dummy. Mine is kinda ugly. And here, that's not what I saved. This is what I saved. It's kinda good. Gooder than the other one. But I don't know, like, you can see a E here. So that's all. See you guys. See you in the next video. By the way, chat in the comments what do you guys want me to build. See ya. Peace.